Welcome back to Handmade Happy Hour. Today I'm making some Barbie themed chocolate dipped, candy dipped Oreos with some fun candy melt sunglasses. Now I'm using the lemon sandwich cookies from Aldi. I've gone ahead and melted some light pink candy melts. I did this in the microwave, and then I'm just dipping them. Now you could hand dip them if you want, but I do like this little dipping tool from Wilton. I think it is called a dipping tool. Anyways, so you're just going to coat the whole Oreo and then make sure you shake it real good. You want to get all the excess off. And again, these are the lemon cookies. These are so delicious with the candy melts. Then place them right onto parchment paper. And I want to make sure that you see that I'm tapping off all that excess pretty good, and then I'm rubbing it or sliding it across the edge of my bowl, and that is to get off that excess because you don't want that overhang. If you do get a little bit of overhang, you can just clip it off once it's dry. Now to add some texture to the top, this is a drizzle spoon. You could use a regular spoon. You could add this to a piping bag if you wanted. This one's got a little tip on it, so it makes it kind of easy. And I'm just drizzling the extra right on top. Sorry, my focus is a little off there. And that's going to create some nice texture. And then I'm just adding some of these candy embellishments. These are some little pearl eyes. They have a tiny bit of gold in it, but I don't think you can see. Now for those cute little shoes, I'm using a hot pink candy melt, and I went ahead and melted this in a melting bag in the microwave, and I'm filling the sunglasses mold. And yes, this took forever because there was only 3 sunglasses on this mold. This mold was from Joann Fabrics. So I'm filling it up while it's hot, then I'm giving it a good tap to try to remove air bubbles. If you bring any air bubbles to the top, you can just go ahead and poke them with a toothpick, or I'm just using my spatula here. Then I'm giving it one good thud before I set it to dry. So I'm gonna let that cure for about an hour and then pop them out. And now we are ready to decorate our candy dipped Oreos. I'm gluing those pieces down with just a little bit more of that melted candy melt and adding those awesome Barbie shaped sunglasses to the top. This is really fun and such a decadent treat when you bite into it and you get that lemon cookie. It's so delicious. Over here, we're super excited for the Barbie movie, so it's all hands on deck for fun Barbie DIYs this week. Thanks so much for joining me. Make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell if you want to be notified when new content comes out. Look how good. Have a great week.